Came out of my mama with 2X chromosomes.
Excuse me, it's man.
October 88.
Born in 88. How old is that?
Always reppin' in the zone.
Don't let me into my zone.
Got my first PC, compact family share. 10 years old, AOL, sexy RB. Nothing else compared.
You're going surfing on the internet.
No, Mom. I wasn't looking at any hentai. That was definitely Ski. And why the fuck did you name him Ski? The fuck is wrong with you? I'm a gamer. PC gamer. No RGB. Got the custom keys, bitch. I'm a gamer. PC gamer. Don't need a DX racer. Check my case. Check my chair. I'm square. This is my fucking gaming lair.
He's in his zone.
Specs in my rig, I bought it. Parts in my case, I built it. Don't add me on BNet. My friends list is full. I'm a gamer. PC gamer. No RGB. Got the custom keys, bitch. I'm a gamer. Have you seen my keyboard yet? It's pretty cool.
I play video games better than you.
Time to raise my APM.
PC gamer. Custom keycaps. PC gamer. Custom keycaps. PC gamer. Custom keycaps.
Time to raise
bitch.
my APM.
I did that shit all by myself. Designed it in paint and shit.
Whoa! I'm a painter!
I bought like 6 different sets. Mostly on Amazon. One from eBay.
The reason why I'm chatting with you guys is because I'm actually gay.
Jealousy is a disease. Get well soon.